Hey, what's going on, my YouTube family? Joshua Elder here with another video for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to make $100 or more a day without making any videos and leveraging the YouTube platform. So if you're excited for this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. This channel is about helping you create a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So you can see here that we're on the home page of Google Trends. You can just go to google.com and type in Google Trends. And then what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and we're going to see the top trending searches around the world. That's essentially what Google Trends does, is it takes the data from Google, the highest searches that have the highest search volume, and it will list them right here on this page. So Game of Thrones, all these topics around Game of Thrones is really popular right now. You've got Kim Kardashian, Mother's Day, James Charles, so on and so forth. You can even click here and go to more trending searches. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on Game of Thrones Season 8. And you can actually see all these questions that are being asked around the different episodes in Game of Thrones. So each of these questions would be topics for our videos that we can create and put up on YouTube. So for example, if we click on how did Arya kill the Night King, then what we can do is it'll take us to this page where it's just got the search phrase into Google and all these results. And we can click on any of these. I'm going to go ahead and just click on this one right here. And what we can do is we can take this article and I would just copy this right here. And we can jump over to a website called Fiverr.com. And there's two things that we're going to have done. Number one, we can have this article rewritten. So what we would do is we would type in rewrite articles and we would select one of the listings here that has the best reviews. So this one's like $5. I wouldn't necessarily buy into this one, although it has great reviews. It just seems like it might be, cheaply rewritten. I could be completely wrong though. There's some hidden gems in here if you look really closely. But typically I like to find somebody that might have a few hundred reviews or more. Like this one seems pretty good. 594 starting at $10. That's pretty reasonable. And then what you would do is just click on this and then continue and then paste that article. And then what they're going to do is they're going to rewrite that article. This way we can avoid plagiarism. Once we have the article rewritten, then we would go to Voiceover. We would type in Voiceover in Fiverr and we would find somebody following the same process, somebody that has decent reviews, a lot of reviews. So this one has 5-star reviews and over 1,000 reviews. So we could use this guy right here. We would paste the article to him and then he would simply create the voiceover. After that, now we would create the video content. So what I would do is I would go to YouTube and I would just simply type in Arya Stark. After I do that, I would go to filter right here and then I would select Creative Commons. What's so cool about Creative Commons, let me make sure that that's selected. Select it again. Once we do that, what we can do is we can actually copy any of these videos legally. So what I would essentially do is I would copy these videos. I would use like a video editing software. In my case, I've got a Mac. I would use iMovie. If you're using a PC, you would just, go to Google and type in editing software or video editing software for PC. There's a lot of free, video editing softwares out there. Heck, there's even, you could use a lot of web-based softwares as well these days. But essentially what you would do is you would download a bunch of these different videos depending on how long that article is going to be in voiceover version. It could probably be 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So I would compile a list of videos together that's roughly 3 minutes, for example. And then I would overlay that voiceover and do, some small edits. You can add some text. You can have a lot of fun with it. But you can do this probably in about 20, 30 minutes or so. And then you would upload the video to YouTube. And in the title of the video, you would want to make sure that you have this specific search phrase, right? So how did Arya kill the Night King? So the title of your video would simply be, how did Arya kill the Night King? And what you could even do is you can find out what other people are doing on YouTube around this specific search phrase. So this says Arya kills Night King, Game of Thrones season 7 Q&A. Arya Stark kills a knight. So you can like model some of these titles here. But what you want to do is you want to have a captivating title that's going to cause people to click. Look at like this Tech Buddy right here. 609 subscribers. This was uploaded a week ago, and it already has 2.4 million views. So since this happened in episode 3, which was about a week ago, of course it's not trending as much now, so you probably wouldn't get as many searches. So you want to upload videos that are trending right now currently. So again, you want to make sure that you first go to Google Trends, you find out what's trending, you find out the search phrases that are trending around that specific topic. You create videos around those topics by simply taking the search term, putting it into Google. Then there's going to be a list of different articles that are based around that search term. You take the article, you have it rewritten on Fiverr. After that, you turn it into a voiceover. After you turn it into a voiceover, you compile a bunch of video excerpts of that specific topic or of that specific person in this case. And then you want to make sure that you filter by Creative Commons. And you can even use a downloader, like if I just go to Google and type in download YouTube videos, you got Y2Mate, you got KeepVid. One that I like is I think it's clipconverter.cc is a great one too as well. And then you just plug the YouTube URL in, and then you can download all the separate videos. And then of course, edit your video using your favorite video editing software, and then upload it, optimize the video with the search phrase, put that in the title, make sure it's in the description of the video, and then even put it in the tags of the video, and you're going to find yourself getting views fairly quickly. After you do that, and you have a certain amount of views and a certain amount of subscribers, which you're going to get subscribers fairly quickly, and you're going to get watch hours fairly quickly. And I would even suggest in your video to have a call to action telling people to subscribe to the channel so you can increase this and get subscribers a lot faster. So you want to make sure you have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. And then what you could do is you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. What this will allow you to do is it will allow you so you can have an overlay of ads that show up before and after your video plays. When somebody clicks on those ads, you actually get paid and Google gets paid. And that's how you make money. I think you get like, I don't know if it's like right around 30% of, they used to do like it by view, but now it's based off of how many advertisers are advertising on your specific video. So in my case, you can actually see if I go to my YouTube channel right here, you can see in the past 28 days, I did over $1,800 here. You can see my history over just the past 6 months. Had a really good month here in February, $2,416.02. And this is just simply by uploading these videos. Now, in my case, I created my own videos. In your case, you don't have to create videos. You could just create a channel that's named like Current Trends or something like that, and just upload all the latest trending content to that specific channel. So with that being said, I hope you got value from this video on how to make $100 a day or more using YouTube without having to make any videos yourself by actually uploading other people's videos that are compliant and are completely legal and following this whole entire formula that I laid out for you. I would suggest that you go back through this video, you watch it again. There's a lot of detail here. The biggest difficulty you're probably going to have is just editing the videos, which you'll get better in time. Heck, you can even hire somebody on Fiverr to edit all the videos, add some cool like on-screen stuff for you if you would like. So if you got value from this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Go ahead and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. And if you want to learn how to take your life and business to the next level and how to go from $0 to $10,000 plus per month with affiliate marketing, check out my top recommended resources below, and we will see you guys in the next video.